Good morning students, welcome back to the class 12 subject accounts, and we are going with the chapter topic known as accounting for share capital. In accounts of share capital, today I am going with the question number 13. This question number is having a related issue of oversubscription. How this oversubscription amounts are being adjusted and how does the company issues the share beyond the amounts which they are issuing exactly. As we have seen earlier also, under subscription, which is about 90%, what about we are going with the topic oversubscription today. Oversubscription means the allotment what you have done, it is accepted by the public and beyond the number of people have applied for that particular shares. It is considered as oversubscription. How it has to be adjusted, we will see in this today's chapter's topic. Let's begin with the question first, and then I will tell you what to do in this. Let's begin with the question. ABCD Limited offer for subscription of 20,000 shares of 10 rupees each, payable on 3 rupees on application and rupees 5 on allotment. For each shares, applications were received for 30,000 shares. Letter of regret were issued to the applicant for 5,000 shares and their application money was refunded. According to this paragraph, it has been said that the ABCD Limited has a limited subscription of 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each is equal to 2 lakh rupees shares. They can be taken as an organization. They can subscribe for 20,000 shares from public, whereas it has been said that 3 rupees will be on application. 20,000 shares into 3 as an application, whereas on allotment it has been said 5 rupees they will receive. Now, in this question it has been said that application was received for 30,000. Here it has not been accepted as 20,000, but it has been accepted as 30,000. If you calculate that, then it will be considered as 90,000. 90,000 rupees you have received on application. Now, in this question, it has been also been said that the letter of regret was been issued for 5,000 shares. Here, I will be going with the elaboration of that particular amount. Here, 30,000 shares were being issued. Out of that, 5,000 has been rejected and 25,000 has been adjusted in 20,000 shares. Here be careful with the word. 20,000 shares only can be issued by the company, but they have adjusted 25,000, means the oversubscription entry has been adjusted to 20,000 shares. So before doing this, you should be careful with the term how much share has been applied and how much they have issued. So I'll start with the solution also here. But before completing this, we have to go with the question further. It has been said that application money for other 5,000 shares were applied towards the payment for allotment money. The balance of the allotment money was also received in due time. Prepared journal and cash book of the company. As you can see that I have only prepared journal here. In cash book, I'll rub this side and prepare a cash book, or either I'll carry forward here only. Let's see how it is working. But it has been said that application money for 5,000 shares has been adjusted to share allotment account. Here you have to be careful with the term what has been asked for. So let's begin with the solution in this. Before going with the solution, first I'll do with what we have been applied. Let's begin with the applied column. Then applied allotted, applied, allotted, and oversubscription. Hope so it is visible for you. This is the situation where we have to work on as a working note. Let's begin with the applied concept. In total, we have received 30,000 applications, correct? Out of that, company decided 5,000 shares has to be rejected. Sorry, I'll rewrite. 5,000 shares will be rejected. 30,000 minus 5,000. 25,000 shares will be adjusted. This is an application part, okay, where you have applied for the share. 30,000 shares, their application has been accepted. Out of that, 5,000 will be rejected by the organization and 25,000 will be adjusted to 20,000 shares. Let's begin on allotment. Company can only allot 20,000 shares, correct? So withdrawal or refund cannot be done here. Here you have to make 20,000 shares. So this amount is been very simple for the process, but when you go more and more related to this kind of questions, the difficulty level will be more and more. This is the easiest concept, that's why I have taken this in today's lecture. Let's begin with the oversubscription. How much extra you have received? 25 minus 20 is equal to 5,000 extra oversubscription you have received on that particular first column. The amount which you have refunded for 5,000 shares will also be added as subscription, 5,000 shares. If you have this 5,000 and 5,000, then 10,000 shares were being oversubscribed for issuing an application. At the time of application, you have received 10,000. Out of that, 5,000 has been returned back. Let's begin with the journal entries with the first effect of that particular term. I am very much clear with the term as you have to take rupees 3 on application, correct? And rupees, it is not been seen, sorry, I'll adjust it on the top side. It is not been seen, so I'll adjust over here like rupees 3 on application and rupees 5 on allotment. Hope so it is visible. If not, then I am also speaking. I am speaking continuously, so you can understand this thing. Now, first thing, you have to accept the application money. First, I am writing an entry for accepting the 30,000 applications. Writing entry, bank account, debit to share application account. Here you have received 30,000 shares. So write B share application money received on 30,000 shares. As you know that you have received an application on 30,000 shares. So let's calculate with the 30,000 shares. 30,000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 90,000. Here you write it as 90,000 rupees you have received on application, correct? Now we are going with the second part of this. That second part is related to transfer. As you know that in application you have to start with the application money received and then you have to transfer. So let's begin with the transfer, but make sure that out of 30,000 shares, 5,000 shares are being rejected by the organization. So let's begin with the next entry. Entry number 2. Share application account debit. Then you have to adjust that application money on allotment also. Be careful with this. Now, to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment. This entry has two things. One, rejection of 5,000 shares and share allotment, the transfer of share allotment. As you know that 20,000 shares has to be adjusted. 20 into 3. That means on share capital you have to receive 60,000 rupees. Correct? Out of that you have return back 3 rupees according to 3 into 5,000 shares. Here you have returned back 15,000 rupees. On back 15,000 you have to return back. The rest amount of 90,000 has to be calculated as 15,000 on share allotment. The amount has to be transferred to share allotment. Here the overshare application amount will be 90,000 rupees. This is the entry of a share. Now you have to write B. The B will be little bit longer. Be careful with the B, what I am writing exactly. B, share application, big share application of 20,000 shares. Because 20,000 shares amount has to be received here, so 20,000 shares at 3 rupees is transferred to share capital account, correct? So it has to be written like this. Being share application of 20,000 shares at rupees 3 is transferred to share capital and refunded for 5,000 shares and remaining 5,000 shares is adjusted in share allotment. Bin should be in a summarized way so that the examiner or any person who is checking your account should know that what has been happened exactly. I am going with the calculation also. Be careful with the calculation. 20,000 shares multiplied by 3. Then 5,000 shares multiplied by 3. 5,000 shares multiplied by 3. The amount which I have written, it is accordingly it has been adjusted over here. Now we are going with the third entry. In third entry, you know that first you have to make an amount due and then you have to collect the money. So let's begin with the third part. Third part is share allotment account debit to share capital account. As you know that 20,000 shares into 5, because it has been mentioned in the question, 5 rupees on allotment. And allotment, you have to receive 5 rupees into 20,000 shares. So 1 lakh rupees you will be receiving on allotment, right? The being share allotment is due and transferred to share capital. This entry is also been over. Now the fourth entry is receiving the money. I'll adjust it here very short because I don't think so it will be displayed to you. I'll write it very short here. Here you have to write bank account debit to share allotment account. What would be the amount you have to receive? Just be careful. 1 lakh rupees you have to take it, but in 1 lakh rupees you have already 15,000 rupees. The rest amount 85,000 rupees you have to receive on allotment. Be careful with the amount also. So here you will receive 85,000. On both sides, the 85,000 amount should be displayed. Here being you have to write because it is not there. I don't have any space over here, that's why I cannot write here. But I'll tell you what to write in being. Being share allotment money received on 20,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 and adjusted from share application. 15,000 rupees has been adjusted from share application account. This much entries are to be done for the particular question. Now we have to prepare cash book. In cash book I don't need this question, but I need this. Because in journal entry the certain amount has to be displayed on cash book. So I'll prepare cash book on this side. I need to rub this for particular account to create. Here I have written on the account side cash and bank account, cash or bank account or cash, whatever the transactions you have done, you have to enter over there. In cash book, you have to be careful what amount you have received and how you have received. Debit and credit I have mentioned on the board. It has a compulsory, you have to prepare debit and credit on the ledger sides. So let's begin with the question first. As whatever we have received, you have to write on this side. It has been said that bank account debit. So I'll come here because it has been debit. Cash and bank account debit. First entry I have put over here as to share application account. in share application account, I have received 90,000 rupees over here. Correct? So this entry has been completed. Just see where the amount has been mentioned. Here in second entry also it has been said that to bank account, means we have to repay or we have to refund it. Let's begin with the second entry over here. Second entry, it has been said that to means on credit side, right, by share application. This is a refunded amount, so I'll write a share application account. In brackets I'll say refund. The amount which you have refunded is 15,000 rupees over here. So second entry is also been over. In third entry, it is not mentioned any account or any bank account. But in fourth entry, it has been mentioned bank account debit. Go with the bank account debit. Right here, I am writing 4 because it will be easy for you. Here you have to write to share allotment account. 85,000 rupees you have been received on allotment. Now we are going to make a total because no other entry has been mentioned in the question. So let's begin with the tally part. Because it is on debit side, the amount is higher, so I'll write 1,75,000 because the amount is higher side on debit side. Now here also I'll write 1,75,000 because it is on higher side as in debit. So the balance will be coming on credit side. So right here by balance carried down. 1,75,000 minus 15,000 is 1,60,000 rupees. It has been a balance carried down. Be careful with these terms, and this is the exact entries which we have to do according to the question. Just have a look into it. If you have any problem, just go with the comment section. I'll sort it out. Have a look. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. If any problem occurs, just comment back, and we will. I'll come back with a new more questions related to same allotments, over subscription allotments. Thank you.